Hey, welcome to my channel Technologies in Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, I will teach you about the Node.Js. Basically, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. So, let's start the video. An introduction to Node.js. Introduction. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. It is an open-source, cross-platform, and back-end standard tool for almost any kind of project. It runs on the V8 engine and performs JavaScript code over a web browser. Node.js allows developers to use JavaScript to compose command-line tools. Its app runs in a single process, deprived of creating a new thread for every request. It gives a set of asynchronous I/O primitives in its standard library. That stops JavaScript code from blocking. The libraries in Node.js are written using non-blocking models. That makes blocking show the exception rather than the norm. In this article, we will present a brief introduction of Node.js, its uses and important frameworks and tools. Description. Node.js enables the creation of web servers and networking tools using JavaScript. It is a group of modules that control different core functionalities. It would restart the operations when the response comes back. This permits Node.js to control thousands of concurrent connections with a single server, deprived of presenting the load of managing thread concurrency. That could be an important source of bugs. Node.js has an exclusive benefit due to millions of front-end developers that compose JavaScript for the browser are currently able to write the server-side code. Moreover, writing to the client-side code deprived of the requirement to learn an entirely different language. Highlights of Node.js. Below are some of the significant highlights. These make Node.js the favorite of software designers. Asynchronous and event-driven. The complete APIs of the Node.js library is asynchronous and non-blocking. It basically means a node. The JS-built server never waits for an API to return data. The server changes to the next API when calling it. The notification device of events of Node.js supports the server to become a response from the preceding API call. Most rapid. Node.js library is a most rapid and quick in code execution being built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Highly scalable. Node.js practices a single-threaded model with event looping. The event tool supports the server to reply in a non-blocking mode. It makes the server highly scalable and different from traditional servers. Node.js usages a single-threaded program, and the identical program may deliver service to a much greater number of requests than traditional servers comparable to Apache HTTP server. Not at all buffering. Node.js applications do not ever buffer any data. These applications just produce the data in pieces. Authorization. Node.js is at large under the MIT certificate. An introduction to Node.js. Uses of Node.js. Below are the capacities where Node.js is showing itself as a faultless technology partner. Input-output bound applications. Data streaming applications. Data-intensive real-time applications, DIRT. JSON APIs built applications. Single-page applications. Frameworks and tools of Node.js. Adonis.js. This is a TypeScript-based framework. It is highly emphasized on developer strength and self-assurance. Adonis is one of the firmest Node.js web frameworks. Egg.js. Egg.js is a framework to build well enterprise frameworks and apps with Node.js and Koa. Express. Express delivers one of the simplest up till now influential ways to make a web server. Its key to success is a simple method focused on the essential features of a server. Fastify. The web framework is very attentive to giving the best developer experience. That happens with the smallest overhead and an influential plugin architecture. It is one of the reckless Node.Js web frameworks. Feather.js. This is a lightweight web framework. It creates real-time applications and REST APIs. Those are made by using JavaScript and TypeScript. Gatsby. This is a React-based, GraphQL-powered framework. It is also a static site generator with a very ironic ecosystem of plugins and starters. Happy. This is an ironic framework for building applications and services. It allows developers to focus on writing reusable application logic in place of spending time constructing setup. Koa. This framework is built by the same team behind Express. It goals to be even simpler and smaller. The new project was born out of the requirement to make mismatched modifications lacking disrupting the present community. Loopback.io. Loopback.io creates it easy to shape modern applications. It needs multifaceted integrations. Meteor. Meteor is a really powerful full-stack framework. It empowers us with an isomorphic method to making apps with JavaScript. Also, it enables us for sharing code on the client and the server. Micro. Micro delivers a very lightweight server to make asynchronous HTTP microservices. Nest.js. This is a TypeScript-built advanced Node.js framework. It is used for building enterprise-grade well-organized, dependable, and accessible server-side applications. Next.js. This is a React framework. It provides us with the greatest developer experience with all the sorts we require for production. Those are included hybrid static and server rendering, smart bundling, and many more. NX. This is a toolkit for full-stack monorepo development. It is operative with Nest.js, Express, React, and Angular. It supports to scale the development from one team building one application to many teams working together on various applications. Remix. This is a full-stack web framework. It is used to build outstanding user experiences for the web. It provides us with all we need to build modern web applications. We can deploy them to any JavaScript-based runtime environment. Sapper. Sapper framework is used to build web applications of all sizes. It provides an attractive development experience. Socket.io. This is a real-time communication engine to construct network applications.